Hi, welcome to my channel RX Sam 2020. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see mostly useful information of favipiravir. It is used in treatment of influenza and mild to moderate COVID-19 patients. About favipiravir. Favipiravir is an antiviral medication that was developed in Japan and got approval for treating people with influenza. It reportedly showed antiviral activity against all subtypes of influenza virus strain. Not only does it inhibit replication of influenza A and B, the drug has also shown promise in the treatment of avian influenza and as an alternative to treat influenza strain resistant to the first choice of treatment. Flexibility that favipiravir shown in its ability to act on multiple different influenza viruses has led to other countries using the drug to explore treatment for novel viruses including Ebola and mostly recently COVID-19. Favipiravir is among the many drugs currently being trialed to treat COVID-19 alongside Ebola drug remdesivir, the HIV drug combination lopinavir, ritonavir, and a combination of lopinavir, ritonavir with interferon beta and others. Favipiravir was being studied in China as an experimental treatment of COVID-19 by February 2020. Trials are now also underway in Italy, Japan, USA, UK, and India. Favipiravir was given approval for treatment of COVID-19 in hospital setting in Russia on 29 May 2020. In India-based Glenmark Pharmaceutical has reported positive top-line data from a phase 3 clinical trial of its favipiravir generic Fabiflu to treat mild to moderate COVID-19. Let us see what is influenza. Commonly known as the flu, is an infectious disease caused by an influenza virus. Symptoms can be mild to severe. The most common symptoms include high fever, runny nose, sore throat, muscle and joint pain, headache, coughing, and feeling tired. These symptoms typically being 2 days after exposure to the virus and most last less than a week. In children, there may be diarrhea and vomiting, but these are not common in adults. 3 of the 4 types of influenza viruses affect humans: type A, type B, and type C. Type D has not been known to infect humans but is believed to have the potential to do so. Influenza A virus causes influenza in the bird and some mammals and is the only species of genus Alpha influenza virus of the virus family Orthomyxoviridae. Influenza B virus is the only species in the genus Beta influenza virus in the virus family Orthomyxoviridae. Influenza B virus is only known to infect humans and seals. Ebola, also known as Ebola virus disease (EVD), is a viral hemorrhagic fever of humans and other primates caused by Ebola viruses. Nipah virus infections is a viral infection caused by Nipah virus. COVID-19 coronavirus disease 2019 is an infectious disease caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Indications: treatment of influenza A and B viruses, treatment of Ebola viruses on trial, treatment of yellow fever on trial, treatment of Nipah viruses on trial, treatment of mild to moderate COVID-19 in India. Drug interactions: acyclovir, aminophenazone, apomorphine, benzylpenicillin, chloroquine, diclofenac, digoxin, doxorubicin, edoxaban, fluorouracil, ibuprofen, hydrocortisone, hydroxychloroquine. Contraindications: pregnancy, lactation, alcohol. Dosage. The usual dosage of favipiravir for adult is 1600 mg orally twice daily for 1 day followed by 600 mg orally twice daily for 4 days. The total administration period should be 5 days. The administration should be started promptly after the onset of influenza-like symptoms. Doses for COVID-19 in India: 9 tablets of 200 mg on day 1 and 4 tablets of 200 mg a day for 14 days or as directed by physician. If you have missed taking a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is already time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and follow the normal dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to compensate for the missed one. Side effects: diarrhea, increase uric acid level, decrease white blood cell count, increase liver enzymes, psychiatric symptoms, decrease production of red blood cells, reduce body weight. Some brand names: Avigan, Avifavir, Aripiprazole, Faviplu, Favipira. Thanks for watching my channel. Hope you like it. Please share to your friend. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.